Welcome to Avelina's Farm. Dito sa farm na to, ma-e-enjoy nyo na ang day camping, fishing, boating, relaxing on a hammock, eating, or just simply unwind. Ito po ay matatagpuan sa Barangay Cugon, Gubat, Sorsogon. Pre-entrance. Avelina's Farm is a place for family and friends where memories are farm-made and seasoned with love. Pwedeng-pwede niyong isama ang inyong mga barkada, ituloy ang kwentuhan sa buhay pag-ibig at kung may mga hugot sa buhay. Nag-o-offer po sila ng simple but tasty food that will keep you coming back for more. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Life on this farm embodies simplicity where stress fades into the gentle rhythms of daily routines. Nature is the greatest place to heal and recharge. Hoping that Gubat Sorsogon will be part of your travel list. Life is too short, make some memories, meow meow!